All right, let's get started. Let's not waste any time. So what I found that was really helpful for my weight loss journey is increase on your water intake. You want to stay hydrated. You're going to be constantly, really flushing out all the nasty, toxic, and you're exercising, you're replenishing vitamins, nutrients in your body. You really want to flush that out. So just think about the water must rinse in and out of your body in order to stay clean, staying fresh and smelling good, right? Now, there's a free tool on Google. If you do water calculator, it will probably calculate it based by your height and weight or age. I can't remember, but do your research. It's free, it's online, and it will calculate how much water intake you should be drinking a day. So definitely increase on your water intake. All right, so I like to drink my protein shake, and it's really kind of like a meal replacement slash like detox cleansing kind of drink that I like to drink. If I don't have it on hand or if I don't want to drink it, I also do like a green smoothie where I put celery, avocado, spinach, blueberry, strawberry, a little bit of banana, and mix it all in and drink that as well in replace of drinking my Your Health protein shake. But in my Your Health protein shake, I will show you. So I actually use 1 scoop of the vanilla flavor of Your Shake protein powder, and then 1 scoop of the Your Fiber Plus powder. And in addition to that, lastly but not least, I do 1 scoop of the Your Super Green powder. So I mix those 3 in 1 cup. I blend it well, and I drink it with my probiotic vitamin D and my multivitamin by Your Health product. So Your Essential Vitamin, 1 of this, 1 of the probiotic, and 1 vitamin D. You can get your vitamin D at your local drugstore, and for the Your Health products, you can get that on the website. I will link that down below. I am not sponsored. I'm not being paid for that. I actually use it. It's a part of my ingredient that I use for my results that I currently have. And I only usually use it as a breakfast meal replacement or dinner meal replacement. And it really depends. It could be 3 times a week, 4 times a week, 5 times a week, depending on how I feel. But yeah, so that was very helpful with me feeling full and not wanting to eat, but I need that, I feel like I need that nutrients to supply me while I'm exercising or being active. That really helps as well. And along with my weight loss journey, I found it really helpful is to carry on hand when I go to work or when I'm out and about or just grocery shopping, like hanging out or doing family gatherings. I always keep on hand. So I have banana. I have banana on hand and I eat that when I'm having delicious food surrounded all around me and I'm so tempted to order a easy fast food meal. I want to avoid that and I keep that on hand. So banana and also pistachio. You can find this at your Sam's Club or Costco store, and it's really good for you. It's like, I believe, a good source of fiber, and it's packed with a lot of vitamins, so check that out. Grab that. Eat it when you're hungry or you're feeling like you're having sugar cravings. Very helpful as well. And keeping very simple snack that is also very yummy and delicious. I like to carry tangerine or orange or apple. I'm not a really good apple person because of my races, so I found it that orange is really helpful with also my digestive system. Help me like go to the bathroom, doing number 2 easier, and it helps keep things going and smooth, and it's just very helpful. So orange is a good, yummy, delicious snack, and it's really easy to just carry and go, right? And my favorite, if I'm not having pistachio on hand, I also like the unsalted deluxe mixed nuts that you can get at your local Sam's Club store. I believe I mean, all these pricing are going to be a little bit more. It's like $16 to $10, but you think about that, it's going to last you a while. It's in bulks. So that was very helpful too. So like whenever I have cravings or I'm hungry, I would eat this, a handful, and then I would have it with yogurt and a fruit so that I don't get constipated from eating so much nuts. Now back then, I didn't know any better. Just a little story I wanted to share. I love indulging myself. I love overeating certain things that I enjoy eating. So sometimes I'm doing it too much, going overboard. And I would have like more than a handful of this. And I would eat it as if it's food. No, it's snack. So when I ate it as food, I would be super constipated. And I would be like, I don't want to eat nuts anymore. It was because I was not eating it correctly. So some of my friends and coworkers, they have suggested, and family members have suggested, try eating this less, just like about a handful, and mix it up with fruits and vegetable, and that will keep you full as well. And it did. I ate yogurt with my nuts and blueberries, perfect combinations. Or I like to eat banana, and I'll eat this, and it tastes like banana bread. But it's not, there's no bread in there. I mean, it just reminds me of it because they have walnuts in here too, and almond and cashew, and I think a few of pistachio in here. And it's so delicious with a combination of banana. So try that if you haven't. Banana with nuts. Okay. So that was a little bit of my tips and tricks about learning on my weight loss journey. You want to avoid eating fast food. You want to avoid eating those delicious food at your family gatherings. And you really just want to stay focused. You can have your cheat day here and there, but not often, because you'll go back to your old habit. And it took a lot and a long time to really have perseverance and be disciplined and consistent to get the results you currently have. And you don't want to go backward. You want to remind yourself you want to go forward. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I hope it was helpful. Stay tuned to more videos, and thank you for your support. If you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. More videos to come. Have a blessed day.